We are in the exposition of the sacred relics of Saint Francis Xavier, which is going on during these days. I want to thank all of you for the wonderful collaboration that you have given, and I hope that this divine experience that we have been having will continue. A few things that I would like to inform you. On the 1st of January, we will have the midnight mass on the 31st night. At 11:30 we will have the service, the prayer service, and will be followed by the midnight mass at 12 o'clock. On the 1st of January, the masses will be normal, also the veneration will be normal. On the 4th of January, which is the last day for veneration, the timings will be normal from 7 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. So the gate for veneration will close at 6 o'clock on the 4th of January. On the 5th of January, there is no veneration. On the 5th is the closing ceremony. The procession from the cathedral to the basilica will begin at 9:30 in the morning. Only those who are chosen to be walking in the procession will be allowed. The other people can line up along the way of the procession. You are most welcome to do that. And after the procession reaches the basilica, the relics will be kept inside the basilica, and the closing mass will follow immediately. Our own Archbishop Philip Neri, Cardinal Ferrao, will preside over the closing Holy Eucharist.